Welcome those who would like to practice with me some bar routine to strengthen your body and open your body, work on your balance, coordination, and find the flow in your movement. We are going to start from facing away from the bar. Palms are behind you. Feet are in parallel position. Draw navel in towards your back. Rising one heel up, lower down. Rise the other heel up, lower down. Rising one heel up, and then swapping and swapping and swapping. So you take a walk on spot. So the same exercise you can do either facing away from the bar, facing towards the bar, or facing the side. Yeah. So you can keep walking. You can have here left palm on the bar, drawing navel in. And you move your hips side to side. So you move hips side to side. And coming back to the center, rising up on toes, lowering heels, rising up, lowering. As you rise up, go to full plie, and then come up, heels down, releve, full plie, come up, heels down. Let's open hips, turn out, draw navel in towards your back, rise one heel up, lower down, other heel up, lower down, rise and swap. Alternate your hips rises in the first position with turnout. And you can move your hips side to side. And find the center, releve, heels down, full plie, heels down, releve, heels down, full plie. As you come up, you lower heels down, rise up, lower down, rise up, lower down, rise up. Weight on one leg, rise your right leg up, bring foot down, and go down with your heels, releve, rise your other leg up, heels down. And we are going to rise one leg up and lower heel down and rise, lower, rise, and lower. Now we are going to swing leg side to side, bend and stretch, bend and stretch. You can jump if you want to. And then you are going to open leg, bend both legs, and stretch, and bend, stretch, bend, stretch. Hold it. You can release palm of the bar, find a spot ahead of you or down. And bend your top leg, hold bar with your other hand, and rise your top leg up into dancer's pose, open chest up, strong standing leg. Inhale, exhale, come back up, heel to buttock. Bring your knee to chest. Hold your foot with one hand or both hands and bring head down towards your top leg. Look ahead, palms all one on the bar, another on your waist. Flex and point your top foot. point, bring your leg back and forward and back. Forward, you can open your outer side arm, legs extended. And then lean forward into arabesque. Pulse with your top leg up and down. Keep your right arm on the side or in front of you. And then lower right palm down. And you can release head down towards your knee. You can also lower palms down towards the ground in standing split. Inhale, look up. And as you exhale, you can hold the bar with one palm, rising right leg up, taking nice stretch with your hips, opening hamstrings, coming back up, having right leg on the bar, left palm down, knee to head, coming up, and taking side tilt. Bend your standing leg and release down your upper body. Come up, bend, clear, and stretch. And clear, and stretch. We're gonna go to clear, and then you stretch your leg and take a few poses. And then hold leg with your top palm. Coming up and opening leg. And coming up. Opening. We are facing front. Let's lower foot down. Turn out. Rise up on your toes. Heels down. Releve. Feet down. Releve. Left leg up. And lowering heel down. Let's hold the ankle with your left hand. You can extend your right arm to the side. Find a balance on your standing leg. Look ahead or down. Lengthen through your limbs. And send your top leg back to dancer's pose. Hold leg from inner or outer side. Hold bar with your inner palm. Reach up with your top leg. Inhale, exhale, heel to buttock, knee to knee, quadricep stretch. And lift your knee up and rest foot on the bar. Go for deep. Stretching your hamstring, split. And coming back up. And then you go down to forward bend. And come up to side tilt. And go down. And up. Now we're gonna bend supporting leg. And stretch. And bend. You can go down to fold and bend and down to fold. As you bend, take a few tilts to your left leg and then hold the stretch. Coming back up and leaning forward. So you can have your right palm on the side or in front of you. Raising palm down, lifting left leg up, standing split. and hands on the bar. Bring your knee up and bring it back. And forward, you can open arm if you want to. And up and down, up, down, up, and back to the front. Forward bend. Hold the bar with your hands. Release head down. Inhale, exhale, roll spine up. Feet together. Reach out through your hands and come up. Lower heels down. And rise. And lower. And rise. Release. Let's go for back arch. Leaning back. Come back up. And again, forward bend. You can grab the lower bar if you've got 2 levels. Leaning forward. And coming back up. Reaching up. Pulling up. And release. And pull up. And release. Release, thumbs down. Thank you.